Hey guys, how you doing? So this is Bardio again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the no internet issue. Basically, it happens most of the time, and yeah, it's just nice to have some ideas how to troubleshoot because sometimes it's not related to your modem router. It's kind of like related to the computer. But I'm just going to walk you through like the basic and then we go to advanced. So first thing first, if you notice, oh god, where is my internet? Why I don't have internet? What happened? So if you notice that at the beginning, make sure. So let's put it this way. So you're working on your computer and you notice, oh, I don't have internet, and you are hardwire connected, right? So if your computer has like Wi-Fi capability, try to see if you can get internet on the Wi-Fi, or try your phone and see if you can get internet on the phone. If there's no internet, so at this point probably this is something to do with your ISP or your modem, or if you have a router in between, so probably router or something, something just messed up. So how to start? So basically here I have a picture for it. So first thing first, yeah, you see, check physical connection. So it's super easy. You just go locate your modem and Wi-Fi access point, whatever you have. Just unplug it, plug it back in, and then also you can restart your modem router, which is gonna be the kind of like the same as unplugging and plugging back in. And then yeah, as I said, check your Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is up and running, and you can also try another device that I said earlier, like you can also use your cell phone or whatever. If you unplug and plug back, still no internet, then probably there is something to do with your ISP. So you just need to call your ISP and make sure there is like make sure that there is no internet outage in your area or whatever. But let's say, yeah, you tried all of these things and then you noticed, yeah, you do have internet. So we are going to another scenario. So let's say you did all these things and yeah, you notice you have internet on your phone, on other device, but no internet on your computer, which is hardwire. So basically, if there is no internet on your computer, which is hardwire, uh, and you don't have Wi-Fi to switch over, so first you need to check the cable. Make sure that the Ethernet cable is plugged in properly to the computer, and to confirm if it's working properly, if you look at the back of the computer, the place that Ethernet cable is plugged in, you'll see lights, which is like we call it uplink lights, which shows send and receive. Like it means that you have internet. So if you see, oh, there is no lights in there, so try another cable. So maybe something happened to your cable, maybe cable is bent or whatever. So in some cases, if you replace the cable, probably it would fix it. If not, then you can go to the next step. So at this point, what you need to do first, uh, you need to, here you can go network, yeah, view network connections. So you see this is my like Ethernet port on the computer, and so right now I do have internet, but sometimes it just acts up because of the Windows update or whatever. So you can also, what you do, disable, yeah, so it's going to add for, because I'm on the, so I have a server, so it probably, yeah, that's what it's asking for. So I need to put the admin, just bear with me, administrator, hopefully I can type it in. And the password, okay, so let's see if it's going to disable it. So my computer is frozen for some reason now. What happened? My computer is frozen. Oh, I lost connection. So interesting. Oh, you know what? Yeah, because it's a remote. So let me just fix it. So Yeah, we're back now. We back again. Yeah, that was so funny. I was like, what the heck? So yeah, basically you just need to disable and enable it to kind of like reset your network connection. Or if you want to do it a little bit pro, so here's the pro. So you go to CMD and then actually open it as an admin. Right click, run as an admin. So yeah, it's asking because I have a domain controller. Oh my god, I'm going to type this wrong. I have to disable this, but yeah. So here, so you go as an admin because when you run as admin, you have more privilege. I mean, yeah, like you do more stuff. You can do more stuff on CMD. So yeah, the admin. So yeah, sorry. So this is a pro. So if you want to act as a pro, so you can do IP config flush DNS. So it flush DNS going to, as it says, so flushes your DNS. So kind of like resets, it resets your DNS, and then after you can do netsh IP reset to reset your IP. So you see it's kind of like resetting all your IPs, whatever that you have. So this is access denied. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this one I'm getting access denied probably because I'm on the domain controller. But yeah, anyways, yeah. So this is the way that you can make sure you reset everything, because sometimes you know you mess around with your computer, you set up, I don't know, some configurations or whatever, and then after that configurations you may lose your connection. But anyways, yeah, this is one of the pro tips that you can follow. And then yeah, so if you still no internet, if you still see you don't have internet, so the next step that you can do, um, go properties. Oh, I have to disable this, guys, sorry. Yeah, so sometimes do you see this IPv6? Actually, I've already unchecked it. Sometimes IPv6 causing issues. Um, you can also uncheck the IPv6 because sometimes your like your router giving out IPv6, and IPv6 sometimes is acting up. So it's nice to have it disabled. In this case, is to troubleshoot. And also IPv4. Make sure you have not set up any. Uh, so right now I do have like DNS server, but you just make sure you don't have anything set up here. So just make sure you have everything on automatic, like this. So I have it in this way. I have it in this way because yeah, this is my server and my DNS server, because I want to make sure computers are looking some. Yeah, I just want to make sure that I have my DNS server as the server that I have like here. And then if my like DNS server is broken, then my computer gonna look at Google. So I gonna yeah, if you guys don't know what is DNS or DNS server, so I will like make another video in regard that and give you more information about DNS, how it works, and what is DNS server and everything about it. And then yeah, just make sure you're on the HCP. And what else that you can do is go to CMD and get like config all. So here you can get some information about your internet connection. So you can just see if you're getting any IP, or if you can see your default gateway. So here, this is my default gateway. So default gateway is my modem, the modem that I have in place, my default gateway. And this is my DNS server, which is my server. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to provide you make another video regarding this. But yeah, make sure you can see default gateway. If you can't see default gateway, so it means the your computer can't communicate with the modem. So you just need to find out what is going on. Could be a bad cable, could be, as I said, like ISP issue, or many other things. But in general, if you don't have any problem with your internet, like if you can get internet on with another device, and it is only happening to your computer, you just need to follow three steps. First, make sure like Ethernet cable is plugged in properly. If it's damaged or bent, replace the Ethernet cable, and then you can try to do that ipconfig flush DNS, and then you can also try to disable and enable this Ethernet port, and then go check for your IPv4, because sometimes you may set up IP, or you may install application that application is messing around with your IP address or whatever. And also there is another place that you can check, like let's say you did Windows update, and after that Windows update you lost your internet connection. It happens to many people sometimes, because sometimes the updates that Microsoft provides, they just don't work properly with your hardware. It also happened to me few times. So you have to do a driver rollback, and go back to the previous driver version. So the way that you need to do is go to not control panel actually. So you can type in device manager, and then in device manager, okay, yeah, but it's going to show me anyways. So you go to your network adapters, and you may see, there is like an exclamation mark here, or you see error message or whatever. So you just right click. Right now it doesn't let me, but if you go to driver, sometimes you see this rollback driver is available. So you can just, and it happened after driver update, so you can just do rollback and then go to the previous version of the driver that you had on the machine, and it was working. So you're just going back to the previous driver, and it will show few options that you can check, and one of them is like do not install the new version, and my previous version was working fine. So you choose that and hit OK and reboot the computer, and after, your internet is up and running. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks so much, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, have fun.